Aubrey and Bryce have had a marriage tainted with allegations of cheating, jealousy, and there's absolutely no trust. Audience, we want to know what you think. Should Aubrey and Bryce call it quits and get a divorce? Press yes or no on your tablets. And America, you can vote at home too. Just go to our website, facethetruth.tv.com, to let us know what you think. Okay, the results are in. 69% of you said yes, they should call it quits. Yeah. Aubrey and Bryce, please come join me in the circle of truth. Now, what do you all think about those results?
It's not shocking that they would say, yeah. But I mean, I hold on to that little glimmer of hope at the end that everybody has good in them, you know. One mistake doesn't make them. So I do want to hold on to that because I want to stay married. My parents have been married for 30-something years. Like, that is the role model that I have. I still love him a lot.
Love is not supposed to hurt.
Yeah.
I want you to remember that, okay? How do you feel about the results, Bryce?
Like she said, it's not shocking. There's still a lot of love in our relationship.
You sure about that?
And
do you really love her?
I do.
Because Bryce, I'm gonna tell you, since you've been on the show, the way you speak to her, I just find it to be deplorable. And I don't know if you're doing it just because you want to be mean or it's just what you guys have done, but you guys have got to learn to communicate with each other better. Just to be like purposely mean to someone, I just don't get it. You guys got a 3-year-old little boy that's watching y'all. And sooner or later, his behavior is definitely going to be affected by the way you guys are interacting with each other. Right. Your child doesn't deserve to grow up in a house like that.
Right.
You have to know that.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, Judge Mary?
I've got a verdict. Court finds that there has been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent the objects of matrimony have been destroyed, and there remains no reasonable likelihood that this marriage can be preserved. I grant your judgment of divorce. And if we had to find a reason for a divorce, first of all, you've got the infidelity, and next we've got total immaturity.
I agree.
And the next, you know, we're beating up on him. Well, she's the one out sleeping around. I mean, seriously?
Rosie.
The things that make a marriage fail: lack of communication, lack of sex, and finances. You have checked all 3 on those. That's why marriage is failing. You're not doing anything to create a better marriage, a better future, and you're just creating a toxic environment that's not only impacting you, but it's impacting your son. What you do, your son will do. Change things around, and if you don't have to be together, then don't be together, but be good parents for your kid.
Dr. Judy.
If you guys want this to work, you have to start giving. You can't keep subtracting and taking away. You need to wipe the slate clean and start thinking about what you can do for the other person if you truly want this marriage to survive. So do you, Bryce, do you want this marriage to work?
Yes, absolutely.
Aubrey, do you want this marriage to work?
Yes.
Can you guys make a commitment today to turn your heads around on this and to start giving instead of taking away?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We want to help you with
Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
We want to help you. We're going to sentence you to marriage boot camp.
No.
It's an intense, interactive 4-day marriage seminar in Plano, Texas. And they're going to help you work on your communication skills, work on the trust, work on rebuilding intimacy, and being able to talk about your finances and any other struggles that come up so your marriage can survive.
Please go to the counseling and get better. For the sake of your son. Y'all gotta let the past go. Stop hurting each other, okay? Bryce and Aubrey, thank you all so much for having the courage to face the truth and know that we wish you the absolute best, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.